asutuskehtiö Paavon tornit, Välenojankatu 7 Paavola, Hyvinkää, staircase B. Välenojankatu 4 has one unfinished Orona elevator and 2 elevator has been already demolished, but not more new elevators yet. No. Pin 200710960892. Just boring. I'm going to feel staircase, but I have too much time here now, because bus leaves after 1 hour. And some buildings are locked off. It is not so big area. Most buildings are elevatorless. 6th floor. Five per so 400 kilograms. I haven't filmed original elevators before or modernized, or even brand new Orona elevators, but nothing. All 3 elevators are not in use right now. Crappy modernization. I mean the Orona one, because they modernized all at the same time. Ground floor. Now somebody's coming at ground floor. Inspected by Kiva inspector, maintained by Kone. Sixth floor. Still partly now. Stainless steel cap and chime, but otherwise boring. Nice doors, as all make space have. Motor is nice for new elevator. Guesses 470 fixtures inside and outside. No one is here anymore. That's it.